Welcome to my channel, guys, and this is me. My hair's up, we're in the bathroom, and we're just gonna dive straight into it. This is the cleanser that I'm using. This is the Centella Green Tea Face Wash by Sugandha. My face is cleansed and I've still kept it damp. The next step in my routine is the hyaluronic acid serum. For those of you who don't know, hyaluronic acid is like a game changer ingredient. You need to start this in your routine. Why did I start this YouTube channel? I have been obsessed with creating content for quite some time now. For the last 12 years, I actually ran my own business and it was just so hectic, so stressful. I needed to stop. Like the anxiety, this constant, rat race, the number game, it was just kind of killing me. And I was like, I really need to stop. I need to take care of my mental health. I need to just pause in my life. This is the Age Defense Restorative Eye Cream by Tata Harper. I'm just going to use like a drop of this. I absolutely love dogs. When I was young, I actually wanted to be a veterinarian, but I just couldn't see the blood. Like I went through the process and I remember going to biology class and they just threw this lung on the table.
What?
And it was at that moment that I knew that this is just not for me. I cannot get into the veterinary world. Then I'm going in with the vitamin C antioxidant serum from Sugandha. So my goal for this channel, I want to share content. It's like your best friend is sharing like little secrets with you, whether it's fashion hauls, whether it's how to kind of, use your makeup in a different way, whether it's finding out about new skincare. That's what I want to share. Like I want to be your best friend. The products I share, like not everything may be affordable. I get that. And affordable means different things to different people, right? So I completely understand that. And that brings me to my next product, which is the Shiseido Bio Performance. This doesn't fall in the kind of affordable category and it's not available in India. At least I don't think it is. I'll check, and if it is, then I'll just add it in the links down below. I believe in spending way more on skincare. Like I will splurge on a skincare item maybe and not purchase the bag or the shoe, but I want my skin looking amazing. When you invest in your skin, whether it's doing facials occasionally, whether it's doing a face scrub, whatever it is, like whatever makes you happy for your skin, I just feel that if your skin looks amazing, you just feel amazing. You use less makeup and then you feel more confident, right? The next step in my routine is my moisturizer. I'm using the Squalene Ceramide Moisturizer again by Sugandha. Guys, this brand is really good. I am very impressed with the Sugandha products. This is not my first purchase. I have bought this like 4 times already and I love it. I use it day and night and I really, really do swear by this moisturizer. If there's anything from this entire skincare routine that you really, really need to buy, it's this ceramide moisturizer. This is the Isden Fusion Water Sunscreen. This, I do find this to be very expensive, guys, for the amount that you get, and I use it so often, like sometimes twice a day. I am trying a new one by Sugandha. I haven't got it yet, but I will definitely do a review and an updated skincare routine if I really like that. I just go in with that much kind of sunscreen. Probably the one thing I want you guys to take away from this video is that it's okay to be real, it's okay to be yourself. I think we should just learn to forgive each other, be a little bit more kinder, and it's okay. There's no need to troll, there's no need for such negative comments, there's no need to cancel everyone for everything. People make mistakes and that's okay. We have to learn to be forgiving. We need to be better people. You have no idea what hell somebody might be going through, or what kind of day they've gone through, or what their daily life is like, what their finances are like. So it's just always better to be kind, right? Just be a nice person. Just be a nice person. It's really not that hard. And the last step in my daytime skincare routine is this lip balm. Love that it comes in this little kit. You get this little silicone brush. So you wet your lips and then you just scrub it. And then you go in with this lip balm like this. I love how I'm showing you lip balm. You really don't know how to do that. I have guts. But that's okay. We just spoke about kindness. That's all for today. Bye.